Hello, you are welcome once again to my YouTube channel that talks about models, lifestyle and beauty. And on today's video we have Spellbound, an enamored model. Jasmine, she is a brand ambassador, influencer and entrepreneur. All eyes on her because of her natural beauty and curves. She has 4,150 followers on Instagram. She always defined her passion and mission as a model. Once again, kindly follow her on Instagram as Jasmine. Tune right here on LusciousModelsCurves. Kindly subscribe to the channel, and if you haven't, like and share. Remember to click on the bell icon to get videos updates. Do enjoy the video and kindly follow her once again on Instagram as Jasmine. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well.